Hello and welcome back. Okay, so right now we are discussing algebraic inequalities, and let's actually go through first of all the definition. So the definition actually states that it is some type of an algebraic expression which says that one side is going to be greater than or less than the other side. So let's say we have the following example. Okay, so what you are actually seeing on the screen is an algebraic inequality. Okay, this is an example of an algebraic inequality which says that 2x is less than 3y plus 4. Okay, so let's actually go through the definition one by one. First of all, there is going to be something called as the right side. Again, this is similar to what we were discussing when we were dealing with equations, the equality sign, right? Whatever was on the right of the equality sign was called as the right side. And again, in this case, it isn't any different. In this case, the only difference is the symbol. Okay, and whatever is going to be on the left is going to be called as the left side, and the boundary is always going to be the symbol. Okay, in this case, the relationship, you can call that relationship the relation in this case, because it is actually establishing a relationship between the left hand side and the right hand side. In this case, okay, let's actually first of all go through what the algebraic terms in this case are. So these are the three algebraic terms. Again, 4 is also, you can call it as an algebraic term because it is actually 4x raised to the power 0, right? Or 4y raised to the power 0. Any number raised to the power 0 is just equal to 1. So at the end, we just get the constant back. Okay. So again, the thing that I was actually discussing previously, in this case, it is defining a relationship. We are being told that one side, okay, one side, for example, 3y plus 4 is greater than 2x. Okay, it is greater than 2x. Or you can actually say that the other side, for example, 2x in this case, is going to be less than 3y plus 4. Okay, so that actually both of these say the same thing, that 2x is less than 3y plus 4 is the same as saying that 3y plus 4 is greater than 2x. And again, the thing that actually defines that is the algebraic inequality in this case. Okay, so a small side note: algebraic inequalities are a lot similar to algebraic equation. And let's actually go through an algebraic equation. For example, we have the following: 2a plus 4 is equal to b, and the only thing that differentiates an equation from an inequality is going to be that symbol. In this case, it's always, in the case of an equation, it is always going to be an equality sign. Okay, it is going to be a balanced state. 2a plus 4 is going to always be equal to actually it is going to be let's actually generalize this. The left hand side is always going to be equal to the right hand side, but this is not going to be the case when we turn this into an algebraic inequality. Okay, one side is always going to be either greater, less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to the other side. Okay, so and again, some of the rules actually differ. We're going to go through them. In this case, the rules, by rules I actually mean how you actually solve the equations to find out the values of the different x's and y's. So those are the things that actually differ. We're going to go through them in the upcoming videos. Okay, so don't miss that. And yeah, that is all there is to algebraic inequalities. Thank you for watching, and I really hope you learned something.